Job friends, welcome to another beautiful fun and exciting episode of Cast and Centers. I'm your nice beautiful great famous to be the entertainer all over let's do Gemini to mean today the Moku which are Worx. I go on a 440. It's up at this road, yes, you can't cross. You can't cross until you are cross. For 40! Morning, man. How's it? Fanda ho tshile ga gae mo. No tauri ji mo le. Ola tre VR6. Bona VR6 ke kwa? A re ke ska se dina. Yeah, guys, they say there's a VR6 in there. For 40, says. This is the VR6 440 saying. It's here. Remember this VR6? Hola. Sharp was it? 001 G now. Okay, another one yan. Malakucha.
Me, I'm one person. That car, I love it, but I can use it like on a specific day. So at least make sure that it's fine. When I was on the way here by McDonald's, full speed, I said brake. It said shoo. Yeah, there. In my old baked. And one thing I don't like baked. Even if I borrow my car, please don't do it. Yeah, I was up junk boxes. I already paid.
Hey man, it must die, man. It's just a car, man. It must die. You must fix, break, repeat. Fix. Eh? You walk. Wahaika, wazula, you must suffer, my man. Must suffer. Ask the person who's driving this car. Ask the person who's driving that X6 there. To tell you. When you go pillar soft, hey man, you must break a VR6 gearbox three times.
Go ref your car for 2 hours now.
That thing is nothing. It won't do anything. What do you expect from a Polo?
Ref it for 2 hours.
What do you expect from a Polo? Give me this one. Let me rev this one.
When I officially banned from harassment.
Bon, it got me broke and sharp. I'm fine. No, I'm fine. I don't want it anymore. It's not practical. Hey man, this car is not practical. It's not practical. Fuel, it kills you. You take it to the best dyno anyway, it's gonna kill you. Then the gearbox dies, and then you buy another one. They say 11,500. You buy, and then it dies again.
And then the valve drops.
You buy another. There we buy another engine. Valve drop, another engine. Valve drop. Man, this car is for rich people, man. You see those rich people who have 9 cars and they drive it when there's a show of VR6s.
Or it's on a
That's
train,
it. Yeah, you have this thing on when you want to drive it every day, sharp.
Go to work with it.
Good luck.
Good luck, man.
Yeah. This.
The workshop is always open otherwise.
Yeah, Kutja, they must drive Porsche. Your happiness must make them drive Porsche.
Simple.
Yeah.
So you expensive for maintaining between N and
E30 sharp. E30, once you build it, it's sharp. We are happy. We are happy.
Hey, we build those simple. Mara, or it's a mine.
You know, Roberana, Vadira, Roberana. E30 mono, we did once.
Yeah, especially for us young guys. For a year, you can't buy a for us. We are the car show, going to car shows, refing.
Ke Worx. Eba no le ba re ke radio.
What about you tell too?
Eng. Eban. New paint. Mfano lo guy mu. Okay, na mfano. Batho bona ba ne le zaka mun. Khane batho ba bereka kae mun? Abahiri. Where do people work actually? Guys, tell us when they employ, man.
Please take content.
Pardon?
Too much money now.
Dingy?
At least take content. Every step I take.
Yeah. And then, what's happening with this 316?
What's the BM34 piston?
Oh, man. Engineer weird. Yeah, short, man. 2 pistons missing. 4 hour wire short. Oh, screw. Yeah. Yeah.
And then it's a little bone like a workshop.
Yeah. I only little bone lily no more show. Oh, I get starchy.
2 weeks.
Hey, my guy. How's it? What's anyone serious? Yeah. Overheat. So get top engineering, top out.
No, kincha oil cooler ya egg box. Mix it.
Yeah.
No pressure test.
How we chavi, ne?
Oh.
As long as X6 is alive. Yeah, I'll tell. That's on my X6. Hey man. Ufenije X6. Ah, abe X6 ne magaj. Negere khane it's a never ending story. Guys, the X6 they say they're done. Ah, this guy is good with BM. Recent BM.
Yeah, I took a picture.
Doesn't matter how new your car is, it will come in. You wonder how many pistons is this car? Guys, this is 3 pistons. There's no way this engine bay can be. Why? King. Hey, talk about. Hey, guys.
Guys,
Kutja will never have customers. Kutja.
Guys, stop believing you don't need a mechanic, you need witchcraft. Stop. Hey,
man. Wow, when I la thangu to go le ka studio study.
Es ka tisha mo ka sutraka.
Ai je kai vale. Mona VR6 ye bola ganjelo problem yana ke.
management.
Mara ka ke OEM mus.
OEM, mara no we changing it to management.
Oh, with the computer box je la nche.
Maybe it's a quick engine killer management.
Yeah. Kole sharp mane rile ka computer box.
Sharp ka computer box.
Up here some sharp. Management kwa yin. I will go leave sonje ba ntshitse le engine e ba benta ka mogare ga engine. Eh, mo. Awa. Awa. Bona re ganyo le pentile e botse mara ga mo go ka re wa bula. Ke mathata fufuthi, ke mathata. O ilatile kae koloi?
Station Come over to. Nene ni braya ha ko so sha ko.
Yeah, riata. Ratsena. Bole ba bofa ka di elenki. Fela. Ke ba ile ke sound. Ko boja ka TP ba ile ke jini. Ita ba tha TP. Marita kombatsa. Ding ding. Bam. Kwa social transfer direction USB. They don't want to do anything to this VR6. So they don't want to do anything to this VR6. They don't want to work on it while I'm here. Now I don't know. Kutja is not even around. When Kutja is not around, guys, it's not easy for me. No one gives me attention and informs me. I don't know which car to touch, which car not to touch. I'll end up being moved here. Yeah, what are you doing to my car? Away, see ya.